Hi everyone, and welcome to Belinda's DIYs. Today I'm going to show you how I create my very own laundry detergent. Now these are the items that I'll be using. I'll be using 3 of these Zote soap bars, and you can find these where the laundry detergent powder is at. 1 box of the pure baking soda, and this is 4 pounds. 1 box of borax, and 1 box of the Arm & Hammer super washing soda. And to give this an extra fresh smell, I'll be using these crystals in the scent Fresh Vibes. And I also got these extra large bags from Dollar Tree because I'm gonna have so much product. I wanted something that I was able to mix everything and not have to start like in a bucket, but you can pour all your product in a bucket or any big container. I just decided to go with this large storage bag. As you can see, it is a very large bag. Now I'm just gonna get it open and get it situated so I can start pouring all my product in here. The first product is gonna be the baking soda. You can start with whatever product. I just started with this one first. Next, I'm gonna pour in the borax. Next, the super washing soda. And then the crystals. And as you can see, there is a lot of product in here. Now I'm gonna put this aside because the next thing that I'm gonna do is grade my bar of soap. And here it is. Now this is all the 3 bars. So there is a lot of soap in this container. This is actually a trash can that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the last product, and it is the graded soap. As far as the bars of soap, you can also use some ivory soap and also another one called Fels Naptha. I'll go ahead and list all the ingredients down below in the description box. Okay, so now I'm gonna close up my bag, and once I do that, I am gonna start mixing all my product. For me, it's a lot easier using a bag than a container, but it's really up to you, it's your preference. Now I make sure that I give this a good mix. Now this will last you a good several months. You only need to use 2 tablespoons per load. So I decided to turn this trash can into a tub so that I could store my detergent. So what I did is I wanted to dress it up a little bit, so I decided to go ahead and put some wording that says laundry detergent. I did use the Crafter square vinyl paper for these letters. I'll go ahead and write down in the description box the font that I used for this. I'm also going to be adding one of these hooks on the side of my tub. That way I can hang my measuring spoon on the side. And for the lid, I'm going to use one of these plastic plates. And by the way, for this tub, everything is from Dollar Tree except, of course, the detergent. Now, I really like how this tub turned out. Dollar Tree also has these containers right here, and as I put it side by side, you can see that my tub is a lot larger. So next, what I'm going to do is just now fill up my tub with my laundry detergent. And after filling my tub up, this is what I had left over. I will be listing all the products that I used down below in the description box. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't subscribed, I would hope that you would do so. You have yourself a blessed day. And until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.